So what's going on, everyone? Thank you for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Please, real quick, hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way. So right now I am just up doing morning chores, checking on the animals, and to be honest, there's not really much going on anymore in the morning since we don't have any meat birds. The biggest thing that we have to do in the morning is just to make sure the animals are where they're supposed to be. We've been having some issues with the Premier One fencing, and we're not gonna lie, for some reason the goats are having a hard time staying there. As you see, this little kid right here, not where it's supposed to be. And we have to be using this stationary paddock a lot more than we have to. So right now all the kids are there, and the sheep are way up there, and I don't know. Animals have a mind on their own, so it's always important to check your animals each and every day. We gotta make sure they're not everywhere on the property, even on our neighbor's house. That's happened before. Lloyd goes over there, he goes up in into their big shelter, just likes to hang out there while they have horses, and horses are a little skittish around big goats. Right now everyone is doing good. We actually get the goats in the winter paddock, or the girls and Lloyd in the winter paddock, and we have the kids in our stationary paddock because they do not like the Premier One fencing. And this one, she absolutely hates any type of fencing you put her in. So we have to figure out that, because she's actually leaving the farm here shortly. To be honest, that might solve our problem. However, I mean, look, she's in. Well, she found a hole, so let's just fix it right now. There's actually a hole right over there. Lloyd must have made it when he was in this paddock. So we're gonna fix that real quick. But before I do, I want to show you our pasture. Over 500 birds have been on this pasture, and you can't tell. It is green, it is luscious, there's no bare spots. It's absolutely amazing. If you rotate your animals, move your chickens daily, you can have a healthy pasture. It doesn't have to be completely burnt. Now, it will work if you want to leave your chickens in one area for a garden. However, if you continuously want green grass to be growing, you can do it. That way, you can do this on your personal front lawn, right where cars drive by. It can be clean, it can be nice, and it can be for everyone. All right, I'm done with the morning chores. Like I said, with not having to move the meat birds, it's not that hard. But all the animals are where they're supposed to be, which is good. It's not good when you come out and you got to chase some animals and potentially be late for work. That's definitely not fun. Right now I'm here solo with the girls. They're actually eating breakfast, so I got to go in and check on them. I got some projects I need to do for the house, and we'll just see where the day takes us. Breakfast is all done. Now we're going to be starting a project that should have been done a long time ago. I got my two big helpers, Clover and Daisy, here. This is one of those projects that you look at and you're like, oh man, I really need to get that done. And then you go on your day and it doesn't get done. Or, okay, this weekend I'm going to get this done. The weekend comes and it doesn't get done. If you guys have any projects like that are just sort of like, they're really simple, could be really done, take real, maybe 2 hours or so, but you just for some reason don't get to it, leave it down in the comments. I really want to know, because I know everyone has a project like that, and right now we're going to conquer it because it has to get done. And what it is when we first moved in, our refrigerator was too big for our cabinets, so we had to take off that front cabinet where your refrigerator goes in, and now there's sort of like a hole in the ceiling of where the cabinets would have been. I ended up saving a piece from that. So 3 years I've held on to this piece of wood saying I'm going to get this done, and I just haven't got it done. Well, today's the day, and hopefully it's not going to take too long. I know I have little helpers, so I'm definitely going to have to take my time and just be patient, because they want to have fun too. It's not just about work. All right, so I got some more helpers here. The boys are back from their sleepover. You guys have fun or what? Yeah? What'd you guys get? Ram, what'd you get? Some toys?
Spider-Man glasses.
Look at that. Spider-Man glasses, some cars. That's neat. It's almost like, what is it? You guys go to like a birthday?
And some sauce. And a maze.
A maze.
And some sauce.
Man, that's so cool.
And a Soodle. And Paw Patrol sock stick. And Spider-Man.
Interesting. Mocha Patrol
We
car.
got a tattoo.
Cool, man. Well, let's put our stuff away. And
Stickers.
oh man, we'll have to get them later. We can get them. We know where she lives. Cool. Carry that.
Daddy, can I help?
Remy's carrying it to the saw. So now since everyone's home, it's gonna take a little bit more time, which is all right. Oh yeah, buddy. Mama's not home right now. She is running some errands. All right. So here is that hole that I'm talking about, and just like one of these cabinets would have gone right on top. However, our refrigerator was too big, so I had to take it out. And it's just one of those things that we kept looking at, gotta do, but things just came before it. And of course now it's gotta get done. So this guy is gonna help me. He likes to climb up on ladders. However, there's not enough room for that right now. So you're gonna have to be patient, right? Yeah. So here's the piece of wood that we're gonna be saving. I saved this from the cabinet. This was the side where the refrigerator just went into the wall. This has been hanging out for 3 years, and it's going to be put to use. It's matching stain. I might just have to do a little touch up, but you know, save your stuff. You never know when you're gonna use it. Alright, so I'm not a cabinet maker, but it is all done. Looks pretty good. Pretty impressed with myself. We got the trim up, and now we just gotta throw some paint in the back of the wall, and this project is done. With that project complete, we move forward. We're doing an awesome job. Now we're trying to do a mix of things. Clean up, fix some stuff, and also spend time with the kids, because that's what's most important. Right, buddy? Hanging out? Weston's about to start mowing. That's the next big thing. The weather is turning where we don't really have to worry about the grass growing, but we need to take care of it. Basically do our final mow, hopefully. Mow everything, trim everything up along the fence line, and just make everything look good when people come and see the house. So that's what we're gonna be doing next. I really appreciate you guys tuning into these videos. We're trying to do a mix of things, show you guys what's going on in our lives, add some farming things in it. I know a lot of you guys are interested in farming, and I can't wait to show you the adventure of what happened next. We have no idea what's going on after this place. We just know we got to take the step, put it up for sale, and see what's out there for our family, and that's what we're gonna do. So guys, I really appreciate you tuning into this video. Appreciate you guys taking the time out of your life to watch ours. If you haven't, please
hit that subscribe button.
That's right, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't be afraid to leave some comments. Again, let me know what kind of projects you guys have a hard time finishing. You know, maybe it's been a few months since you started it and you just can't get around to finishing it. Let me know. That was a huge one, and we finished it, so I'm really excited. So guys, I will see you on the next video.